With kids home from school, we parents are tasked with both educating and entertaining our kids for hours on end, and we need all the creative ideas we can get. Am I right? Preparing a simple midday snack together is a fantastic way to both keep your child engaged and teach them valuable lessons about food, cooking, nutrition, math, and geography. Let's say, for example, that you and your child decide to prepare my delicious edamame avocado dip. You can find the recipe in the Files tab of my Facebook group if you want to try it. Now, to turn this culinary adventure into a valuable, fun, and tasty lesson, all you have to do is get curious. Choose one or more ingredients from the recipe, then ask and answer 7 simple questions. Number 1, what is it? Is it a fruit, vegetable, nut, seed, grain, herb, or spice? Number 2, when does it grow? Winter, spring, summer, fall, all year round? Number 3, where in the world does it grow? Oftentimes, a single ingredient will grow in several places in the United States or around the world. Now, once you've discovered where it grows, find those places on a map. Number 4, how does it grow? Does it grow on a tree, on a vine, or underground? Number 5, why is it good for me? What nutrition does it bring to the table that supports my wellness and my energy and enthusiasm? Number 6, what does it taste like? You and your child can take a small bite of the chosen ingredient, chew it thoroughly and thoughtfully, then describe it. Is it sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy, pungent, or a combination? And finally, what would the recipe be if we'd had to double it or halve it? This is your chance to do some math. You can double it using either addition or multiplication, and you can halve it using either subtraction or division. Now, parents, I know that many of you won't know the answers to all of these questions, and that's okay, don't panic. You can either look up the answers in advance and share them with your child as you cook, or if your child is old enough, you can make it a research project for them that they can then report back to you. Either way you do it, when you complete the task with whatever recipe you are working on, I'd love to hear from you and see your results. Post them on Instagram or Facebook or below this video with the hashtag #DeliciousLivingSchool and tell us, what did you learn? For more nutrition and wellness information, as well as recipes, join my newsletter on my website at ebethjohnson.com. Here is to staying home together and not going crazy.